Well, what's currently most special about Lakme Fashion Week is that they've chosen me to be a part of their this great platform. I'm showcasing this year as a designer, not as a showstopper or a model or any of that. What's special about this platform is I think Lakme owns fashion, and they've got tie-ups with the best designers from all over the country. And as we saw in the presentation a little while earlier, when you have a company like Lakme backing fashion, I think you can't go wrong with it.
But there are fashion weeks happening all throughout the year. So what's the uniqueness basically? I mean, if you in one line, if you can define.
There are many fashion weeks, but there are very few that are truly respected. This is one of them.
So what have attracted you to come to the fashion industry? I mean, from cricket to acting to theatre to right now fashion.
Well, you know, I've been wearing saris for the last 10 years, a lot. And saris have somehow become associated with me, and so I decided to put together a collection, and I honestly started designing about 5 months ago. And I opened my own store, and the store is doing very well. Exhibitions are also doing well, and so I just applied, see if I could be a part of the emerging designer setup over here in Lakme Fashion Week, and I got selected to be a part of the main stage, and I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a special show for me because this marks my debut.
Who are the designers you really admire as such? I mean, when it comes to.
I'm a big fan of Ritu Kumar. I've been wearing Ritu Kumar over the years. I've loved, you know, you can tell Ritu Kumar from a mile. Her clothes, her garments have that signature style, and they're in shades that only belong to her, I think. And so I wore a lot of Ritu Kumar through my wedding, and she's always remained a favorite of mine.
How much fashion weeks have evolved in a decade as such for the last 10 years, if you see?
Well, just by the number of fashion weeks that have, you know, come up in, you know, every year, that shows you how fashion has evolved. Fashion has become very important. So you have every kind of fashion week. You have resort fashion week. You have summer resort fashion week. You have, you know, winter. I mean, apart from seasons, you also have different kinds of couture. Fashion weeks of different kinds of couture. So fashion has become, you know, a very, very important part of our lives.
Thanks for that.
तो आप बेटर आएगा जी थैंक यू आई थिंक बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ. मुझे जो लुक दी है अर्चना ने बहुत ही अमेजिंग लुक दी है, बिकॉज ऐसा अटायर मैंने आज तक कभी भी पहना नहीं है. ये पेरिस आमूर का जो थीम रखा है इन्होंने, और जो मेरा कॉस्ट्यूम अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो आई थिंक इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत सुंदर कलर्स हैं इसमें और बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. तो मेरे लिए कंफर्ट बहुत ज़रूरी होता है हमेशा. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ रियली कंफर्टेबल, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल और मुझे खुद को बहुत खूबसूरत फील हो रहा है.
आपका लुक क्या दर्शा रहा है, मतलब ऐसा आप डिफाइन करना चाहेंगे तो किस तरह का आपको?
ये पेरिस आमूर है और मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ही अलग लग रही हूँ, बहुत ही डिफरेंट लग रही हूँ, जो मैं आज तक शायद नहीं लगी हूँ. मैंने इस तरह का हेयर स्टाइल कभी नहीं किया है, इस तरह का कॉस्ट्यूम कभी भी नहीं पहना है. तो आई थिंक आई एम फीलिंग वेरी नाइस.
So Archana, can we say that like you are empowering women? It's like a combination of Indian as well as Western combination. So
yes. So the collection that I'm showcasing for this Lakme Fashion Week is it's called Paris Amour, and it is it's inspired from Paris, from the pop art Paris map, from the iconic Eiffel Tower, from twines of beautiful colorful flowers that you see at the bottom of this skirt and all over my collection. And the silhouettes that you see in this collection are a lot of fusion silhouettes. So it's Indo-Western, it's got a resort twist to it. So this garment is also very resorty. The weddings in India have become very destination weddings today, and everybody for destination weddings wants lightweight garments and garments which are very colorful, and they're not your typical wedding wear. So something like this is ideal to wear for a resort wear wedding, and any resort wear occasion like a pool party or something. So that's where the silhouettes of the collection are flowing.
why you selected sari particularly? Is it because that you wanted to just bring up the commonness?
I think sari is a very Indian garment. Like when we look at any other garment, it comes from all over the world. We are inspired by the whole world, but a sari comes out of India. So I find sari as one of the most beautiful garments ever. So even this garment is a sari, but with a modern interpretation to it. I think that's what we need to do. We need to interpret all the global trends, but with a little bit of India. And sari is a little bit of India, as you rightly said.
माही, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे कि साड़ी जो है वो इंडियन ब्यूटी के लिए कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है और किस तरह से निखार देती है? और वो
आई थिंक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और लकीली मुझे साड़ी सूट बहुत करती है, जैसे कि सब मेरे सारे डायरेक्टर्स भी ये बोलते हैं। और मैंने पहले भी आई थिंक अर्चना और मैं बहुत पहले से एक दूसरे के साथ काम कर रहे हैं और अर्चना पहले भी आप मुझे साड़ी पहना चुकी हैं, ये मुझे पहले भी। तो आई थिंक साड़ी इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल अटायर एंड लकीली इट सूट्स मी। तो मुझे मज़ा भी बहुत आता है। अगर आप ये कॉस्ट्यूम अगर आप देखें तो ये एक इट कैन बी घाघरा एंड प्लस साड़ी, तो यू नो इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है बहुत ज़्यादा
जी। और माही is I think she symbolizes our Indian woman. She has the dusky skin and she has our very Indian look. So she looks lovely in our Indian garment, which is a sari interpretation.
थैंक यू थैंक यू
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
So Lakme is one of the most prestigious fashion show of India. So what are you going to reveal this time in your show?
Since it's a summer resort collection, it's going to be all comfortable clothes. They're going to be very easy, soothing shades that I'll be using, more icy pastel shades for the season, and more airy and comfortable fabrics.
What's going to be the special theme of your show?
It's going to be inspired from, again, architectural designs that I've always been, inspired from the architectural designs, and this time again, but they're going to be more summery and more like a, light architectural designs.
A lot of things were being spoken about women empowerment. So how it can be to the ramps, how it can be described to the ramps.
It's see, my collection is going to be for all strong women. The cuts are going to be very clean cuts, someone who's confident to carry the clothes. So it's definitely going to reflect from the collection that I'll be showcasing.
So in the last film, this year, who is going to be the showstopper of the show?
Last season was Dinah Hidden.
This time anybody's decided on?
Haven't decided yet, but there will be someone.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Lalit.
This is Lalit, you're going to be first time?
Yeah, that's an emerging designer category.
So Lalit, Lakme is one of the most prestigious fashion show of India. So what are you going to reveal this time?
So I'm going to present a wide range of menswear in Indian textiles, where like we have been working a lot with weavers and like our local artisans. So I'm going to present a new collection of menswear with these weavers and like in a new form.
So what's going to be the main theme of your show?
Main theme, it's going to be very floral, that's what I can say right now. Like it's going to be very floral, it's going to be very masculine, and it's going to be very street style, something you can, the separates which you can wear with you can team up with everyday wear.
Thank you so much.